Step into the 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle glistens in the crowded pickup truck segment. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It includes heated seats, one-touch window functionality, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, turn signal indicator mirrors, and power front seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.